You need to watch this if you struggle with your new iPhone. Welcome back to our channel where we make tech simple and fun. Today we're diving into basic iPhone tips for beginners. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Adjust your settings for battery optimization. Go to Settings, then Battery, and turn on Low Power mode. Easy, right? Tip number 2. Set up Face ID. Head to Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and follow the prompts. Now your face is your password. Tip number 3. Meet Siri, your virtual assistant. Hold down the side button and say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?" She's super helpful. Tip number 4. Customize your control center. Swipe down from the top right, tap on Customize Controls, and add your favorite shortcuts. Now everything you need is just a swipe away. Tip number 5. Take a screenshot. Press the side button and volume up button at the same time. Snap, got it, that's a wrap. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.